Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, and much more since 1954. Today we're going to show you a nice little machine. It's a 4-foot, 17-ton. Goes by the name of Denver. It's a very close cousin, it looks like, to a DiAcro press brake, very similar style. This also has a Zircon 610 CompuBend controller. Really simple and easy to use. It is a programmable controller. You can put your different jobs in there. But basically you want to go to 15 inches, hit enter, and go. And this back gauge shoots right to it. I'm going to go ahead and shoot it again. We'll go down to 5 inches. You'll see it come right forward. So this back gauge is a CNC back gauge. It's a single axis back gauge, so it's only the in and out of the back gauge. But what that's going to do is allow you to go ahead and essentially, with a couple buttons, put it to the 10-inch mark. You can go ahead, set your material, and activate the machine. You can see it's got a quick approach all the way back up, a quick return. It's going to have a slow approach and a slow form, and it'll do a quick return at a different speed. It's the high-slow speed. It's going to make it so it's more efficient when you're putting your pieces back in. You don't have to wait for it to slowly come back up. And you can set that as well. You'll notice there's a foot pedal activation that I'm using right now. There's also dual palm control as well as the emergency stop button right on the ram here. You're going to see 2 indicators right here. These are going to be your indicators for go ahead and changing the ram adjustment up and down for when you're putting your dies in. Different sets of dies are going to be taller or shorter. You go ahead and crank this a few times and you'll be able to set your ram level and you'll have your space that you need for your proper stroke. Right here is the coupling. You pull this coupling apart and you can go ahead and do individual sides. You'll notice the indicator only on one side and now both. I'm going to go ahead and change it right here to hand control. You see we're just on foot. We've taken out the foot. You'll notice it's not working now. And we'll move on to hand control. Dual palm. Of course, if you hit 1, it won't work. You hit 2, it will. This, of course, being a nice safety feature. I'll go ahead and change this over to slow mode. There's a cycle controller right here. You have 2 cycles, high, low, and slow. And you'll notice now, very slow approach and slow back up. So depending on the job that you might be doing, you might need it to come up slow for a different forming application, and you can go ahead and do that. We also have it on inch. Of course, you can come down for doing your setups. And back up. Now we're going to go to the back of the machine. I'm going to run this back gauge a few times, let you see the whole thing cycling, let you see the back gauge and the ram, very nice condition. I'll go ahead and cycle the ram a few times. You'll notice all the lube lines, everything's been checked out and working properly. I just sent the back gauge to 24 inches. I'm going to bring it back down to 10. So you can see it's very quick and easy, nice quiet running machine. Now we are currently at our fabricating facility. You're going to see a lot of different press brakes. I just walk you around a little bit. You can see your current inventories. We carry a lot of different Y-songs. Here's a Y-song 4-foot 25-ton all the way up to a 100-ton. You'll see we go all the way back up to a 3/4 inch by 10-foot shear back there. Go to the other side of some of the other brakes. We have some Cincinnatis, a 230-ton, 175-ton. It's a 200-ton Birch. And also a nice brand new Cincinnati. We're the only demo center and training sales facility here on the West Coast. You can come demo a brand new Cincinnati if you're interested. We could show you the ins and outs of all the different machinery here, all the different brands. Give us a call, 626-444-0311. You can check out our website for current inventory and some great financing options at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you. Do you have surplus equipment for sale? From one machine to entire shops, Sterling Machinery buys all types of equipment. Please contact us today. Thank you, and we hope to see you soon. To view more helpful videos along with how-to videos and machinery for sale, please visit www.machinerytube.com, the web's premier machinery video site.